The judiciary has, through its website, announced that the Chief Justice and the Supreme Court judges are on an official trip to Colombia until Friday next week to share relevant experiences on constitution implementation with their Colombian counterparts. But MPs argue the trip has come at a time when the judiciary faces serious challenges, including the refusal of Court of Appeal judges to heed a directive by the CJ that they move to a new court in Upper Hill, Nairobi, and when an internal probe on controversial procurement is underway.
Mr. Speaker, this is not the time for the entire bench of the Supreme Court to be out of the country. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs, incidentally, Mr. Speaker, has confirmed that it is not aware of this trip.
According to the judiciary, the Supreme Court of Kenya judges' visit to Colombia that started on Friday last week ends on Friday the 27th September 2013. It says the trip is part of the court's regional and international judicial exchange program to promote intercourt dialogue on select issues that affect the enforcement of constitutional rights. The judiciary says the program will help build the capacity of the Supreme Court through judicial learning and dialogue. Judges of the Supreme Court who have travelled are Dr Willy Mutunga, his deputy Lady Justice Kalpana Rawal, and Justices Philip Tunoy, Mohammed Ibrahim, Dr Smokin Wanjala, and some Supreme Court staff. The statement says that the two judges who remained behind, Justices Professor Jackton B. Ojwang and Njoki Ndung'u, will be on duty at the Supreme Court. MPs are not happy that nearly all the top judges travelled out of the country at the same time.
The constitutional crisis that would engulf the country, if anything untoward was to happen to the members of the judiciary, Mr. Speaker, they all travelled on a single aircraft, which I believe is also against the regulations.
Some MPs have also questioned the cost of the trip.
So, Mr. Speaker, I think I totally agree. As Parliament, we need to oversight the expenditure of even that trip. We need to oversight why should both the Chief Justice and the Deputy leave the country.
Suba MP John Badi cautioned his colleagues against interfering with the management of the judiciary, which he says is an independent arm of government.
There is separation of powers between legislature and judiciary. I would hate to see a situation where judiciary is tomorrow directing us that we should not continue legislating on a particular issue. The same as I would not be happy seeing us trying to micromanage the judiciary, which is an independent institution, Mr. Speaker.
The Justice and Legal Affairs Committee is expected to give its take on the matter in the coming few days. Abdi Osman, Citizen Live at 9.